Hi, WISLINE. This is Christine. I'll be your reading buddy today, okay? And we'll read a book called Cooking with Mom. Follow along on the screen and we'll read together, okay? Cooking with Mom, written by Carrie Zacon. Cooking with my mom is fun. I hop on a chair to watch. Chop, chop, chop go the vegetables. Plop, plop, plop as they go into the bowl. I wonder what she's cutting up there. Go wash your hands, said Mom. It's time for dinner. We know that that's important, right? Washing your hands. Oh, end of story. Let's see, they have some questions for us about the story. Let's see if we can remember. What is the main character doing in the story? Do you remember? And where does his mom put the chopped vegetables? What vegetables do you think his mom is chopping? Do you remember the one from the picture in the bowl? And the last question, what does the main character have to do before eating dinner? Well, thank you for being my reading buddy today. I really enjoyed reading the story with you. Thank you. Bye bye.